Welcome. This is the second tutorial of how to donate money to Children Legacy Organization via MoneyGram. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can do this in the mobile app. So you open your app, you have to log in. I use fingerprint, which makes things easier. Then you can click send. You have to send to Cambodia. You enter the amount of money, which is already 100. You choose the currency, so I take US dollars. For the receiver, payment method, I take credit. Very important for the receive method, take cash pickup. Click continue. Select the receiver, so I show you how to add a new one. So add manual. For the first name, it's a Vanarit. For the last name, add Sok. Country is Cambodia, and the number is optional, but you can add it as well if you want to. It's the following. Then click Save Receiver. Then choose the source of funds. I take salary, but you could then also take something else like savings. The purpose of the transaction, I think donation would be good to choose. And the country of citizenship, that depends on where you're from. Then you click Next. You choose your payment method. I take now the credit card. You click Next. And then you see what's the total costs are. So it's around 2%. And yeah, you can see how easily it is to send money. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, thank you in the name of Children Legacy Organization, and we hope to welcome you soon also in person, which would be great. Bye.